Hi, I'm Rick Snow,
Susie Snow.
and we are here in River Run in the Upper Valley. This is a Decora home that we're going to take a look at. 4 bedrooms, 4 baths, almost 2,900 square feet, 2,858 square feet. This is a beautiful, very modern style home, and we're going to go in and take a look right now. Very nice.
Interesting door. Very different.
Very different. This is a very open floor plan, very modern. Love the chandelier. Go ahead and turn that on.
Provides quite a bit of light. It's very cool.
It's very modern style. Very open floor plan.
The kitchen chandelier is
It's just cool.
very cool. Breakfast bar.
Your pot filler over the stove.
Oh, look, there's the microwave.
Right?
That's interesting. How does it open?
I like the wood beams too. Soft close. It's got the soft close drawers. Very nice, very modern fireplace. And again, the wood beams, I love those. An added touch.
And then behind the living area, they have the fridge, the wine fridge, wine coolers. Very nice.
Outdoor kitchen. So again, this is 4 bedrooms, 4 baths. In the front of the house, there is a bathroom.
Pretty good size.
It is pretty good
Good
size.
size bathroom.
This is a fourth bedroom. Could also be an office. Built-ins in the closet.
All the closets have nice built-ins.
Let's go to the laundry room. 3-car garage, has a 3-car garage. Spacious laundry room with a sink.
And the closet here with the dorm doors.
The 3-car garage with the entry into the back. Pull your motorcycles through there.
So the tankless water heater is just in its own separate little room, not at a sprinkler system.
All right, sprinkler system, tankless water heater.
Just
Just
in the corner in its nice little
Little
closet.
storage space in the garage there. The other side of the house, nice long hallway here. We'll go down to these rooms first. And this is to the front of the house. Good size bedroom. Full bath. Another bedroom, full bath. Each room has its own bath. Again, the built-ins, very nice. Linen closet,
Good size too.
It's got the surround sound system in here. And the primary or master bedroom. Ceiling fans. Very modern.
Little tiny
His and her walk-in closets. They've got them both the same size though, I don't. His and her sinks. Shower with the seat, and let's get the shower head up there, and the shower head, the rain shower head, and another sink, another vanity. So the mirrors are lighted. The mirrors are lighted and also heated if they get fogged up.
And a little area to hang up your clothes that you bring in your bathroom.
Right.
Or
It's a nice touch.
it is.
Again, this is the Decora, 2,858 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 4 baths, in the Upper Valley, modern style,
Lots of built-ins.
lots of built-ins, lots of storage, and that beautiful door. Yeah, absolutely, absolutely. Susie says.
Skylight. It's very well. There's lots of light, lots of natural light.
Susie says she could live here. So, okay. So for more information about this house or any property, if you're looking for, turn around here. If you're looking for a property in the Upper Valley, River Run Estate, there are still some lots available here. This house is going for $699. $999, so might as well say $700 just to
Right.
just to be on the safe side. But again, if you're looking for a house in the Upper Valley, there are still lots available in River Run. Give us a call, 915-329-5868, or
915-329-5869.
and we'd be happy to help you out. Click the link below to subscribe to our channel, to our New Homes channel, and be kept abreast of all of the new things that are going on in new construction in El Paso.